What's up guys, Junior here with the Name Mustangs. Today we got something special. So Alex ended up getting another Cobra, so we had another horse to the stable. And it's actually a 95 Cobra. And here's Alex, he's going to talk a little bit about it.
What it looks like, with the hood down, obviously. You know, film that way, not me. I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's a 95 Cobra, so, you know, this is from one of my followers. I follow him on Instagram, so he had this car and it needs some work. You know, he wanted to get rid of it, whatnot. I always wanted a 94, 95 Cobra, so, you know, I always have a sweet spot for this. Is what I always wanted, red, 95 Cobra. I mean, I would love, you know, to just show this car more love than I'm going to. I'm probably going to anyways, but anyways. So we're gonna start doing our, you know, some videos on everything that's gonna be done to it. The guy said there's a crack in the transmission, so I'm going to pull that down. That's actually what I'm gonna do first. Pull the tranny down, figure out if it's a cracked casing or something exploded inside of there and it cracked it. I did drive it from, I towed the car to my parents' house. I drove it from there here. On the drive, 1 minute drive, it shut down on me like 3 times, so there's something wrong with the engine as well. It's not running right, but that's gonna get fixed as well. So you know, I don't know I think something ignition, who knows. Anyways, the transmission does shift and everything, so maybe there's nothing wrong, but we'll see on that. As far as also, you know, it needs paint. You know, it's faded from the sun. It's a 95, so obviously, but you know, it's pretty nice. It's got the Cobra intake. I mean, that's the main thing. On these, you know, it's the last year for the 5, you know, the original 5 liter. You know, it's got the Cobra brakes, so it's got the big brakes up front. Cobra brakes on the rear, so it's got the bigger rotors on the back as well. And it's pretty decent, you know, really inside. There's no dents on it, so that's a plus. The seat here on the driver's side is broken on the bottom, but I already have a replacement that I found, so not a seat but a track. You need some pieces inside, so you know, like the shifter boot is missing. The odometer is not working, so I'm going to do that repair on the odometer. And just a good cleaning. It smells like smoke in here, so it needs a, you know, one of those bombs or whatever. But I'm going to clean that, and then, you know, pretty much just some you know, maintenance here and there. It does have a nice exhaust system on it, SLP I think. Let's see if it starts. There's something in the ignition switch that it doesn't really start sometimes. Yeah, see, it's just, it doesn't do anything. So, but when it does turn over, it starts real quick. You know, starts right up. So, engine sounds healthy. Anyways, this is our project here for the next, who knows, a few months or something. But yeah, this should be fun. You know, we'll see where it ends up. But just keep watching. This is the first video. This is kind of just like an intro, so you guys can see the car. You know, everywhere. It's in its paint, but it's straight. You know, very nice. It's missing this little piece here, but that's simple. I'm probably gonna try to get one of those lit up ones for the new edges and make it fit in there, so we'll see how that goes. Needs an antenna. I probably have a few extra ones in there. That's it really. I mean, you know, a little bit of work here on the engine bay, but not really too much. You know, the big thing is that transmission, so we'll see if I'm able to fix it or just get a whole new one. And then just get this running where it doesn't shut off. But other than that, you know, it looks pretty nice, so stay tuned. We're gonna be making everything that I do in this car, we're gonna make a video for. So, you know, anything you guys want to see really on something like this, leave a comment and we'll try to get a video on that anyway, since we're going to be working on it. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, like Alex said, thank you for watching. So we're going to probably name this Resurrecting the 95 Cobra. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I kind of have a sweet spot for these cars too. Obviously Alex is at it first. His first car was an SN95. It was a teal green 5.0. It was a 94, right? 95?
It was built in 94, but it was a 95.
95. Well, anyway, so he's always had a sweet spot for S95, and then this one came up. So hopefully we can bring this back to its prime. We might eventually do paint. As we, I mean Alex. I'll probably help him do some body work. So as he said, follow along. If you got any suggestions, comments, or anything you want to see done to it that you might want to see done on your car S95, choose a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.